This illustration deals with surge protection in accordance with NEC 230.67A through D as in dog. The purpose of change was to provide a new section, and this new section has been added to address and recognize the need for surge protection to protect sensitive electronic equipment and systems found in most modern appliances. Safety devices such as AFCIs, GFCI, and smoke alarms, and equipment used in dwellings. Additionally, the expanded use of distribution resources within electrical system often result in more opportunity or greater exposure for the introduction of surges into the equipment. So what they want to do here, and let's just look at the service panel here, meter and the weatherhead. And notice what it says here. Dwelling unit service or service equipment with types 1 and 2 surge protective devices. Now these are defined in Article 100. They're found in the new Article 242. And this used to be Article 285, and that information for surge arresters, which was 280, and then 285 was for surge protective devices. And those two articles have been deleted. Article 280, 285, and the information put in here. Notice this is part 1. And notice we have a metal water pipe, 10 feet or more of it's in the earth, so it is an electrode, and that is stated here in 250.52A1. Now, that describes what could be used as an electrode, 250.52, A1, A2, A3, and A4, and A5, etc. 250.50 says all electrodes, if you have more than one, have to be bonded together to create an electrical system, a grounding electrode system. And then notice 250.53 is used by the electrician to make the installation. So basically, you need to review for a grounding electrode system 250.50, 250.52, and 250.53. And that's kind of what you would do there. Now notice, if we look at the call out up here, arresters, surge protection, Article 100, and that defines, and then Article 242, we would look at Part 2 for that. Part 1 would deal with your surge arresters and things like that, so we would kind of look at that. Now, look at the 1 through 4 in the green. That's in the illustration. Surge protective device, 230.67A. Location where you can install them, 230.62B. The type that you want to use, 230.67C. If you're replacing, you look at 230.67C also. Now, but notice in conjunction with 230.67A through D as in dog, you got to go over to the new Article 242 to get more information pertaining to, say, Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4, and so forth. But Types 1 and Type 2 are used at this service equipment. And then finally, we will close this out by reviewing the note. And the notes is the exception to 230.67B concerning each next level of downstream from service if you want to provide additional protection that will prevent surges from actually hitting your equipment and maybe doing some damage to it. And so this will help where you have AFCI protection and prevent that nuisance tripping of GFCIs and AFCI and protect equipment from surges that could damage the equipment. And that is the main impact of this 230.67A through D as in dog.